It's only me. Thanks for coming back. We're getting close to 300 subscribers now, which is quite good. I had to come into the shed today to help fix a friend of mine's rear rack. He's going to be using it for the Vespa Club of Britain. No, the Belgian Vespa Club run this weekend, which is the weekend of the 6th and 7th of June. Yeah, I had to come in here to fix my mate's rack, and while I did, I thought I'd do a bit more welding, or do a bit of welding, because I had to fix his rack while welding it. So this is what I got up to. Bear with me. Did some more on this. There were some pinholes and stuff. I filled those in, flattened it back. That's just ready for when it goes to blast and ready for painting. Oh, welded up all the holes that I needed to weld up on the back here. Got these four racks. Start again. You've got these 4 holes here for the rack. So they're done. They're filled in. Bear with me. Where are we? Up here. These 4. Those 4 there. That's for the rack. And I also did the rear light holes. I might have to drill one of these out again anyway. But yeah, I got those done, which is quite good. What I do have to do is the brace for the engine. Got to weld that in. So that's the next thing to do. And then once I've done that, I'll get once I've done that, I'll get cracking on that engine, I think. Start pulling it apart. And then it's really dark in here, isn't it? Let's get better lighting. Yeah, I'll get cracking on that engine. See what the state of play is with that. I'll be back in a minute. Note to self: when taking stuff for blasting, phone the blaster first. That way he'll be there to save me a wasted journey. Oh well, back on Monday. Oh, a few days have gone past, and where are we? A few days have gone past, and guess what? It's still not gone. No, it's Monday now. I phoned the guy that's doing the blasting, and excuse me, and I'm taking it down to him later on this evening, or early evening. Don't know what to say really. Let's just sit myself down. Where are we? Just about here. Yeah, I had another sort out in the shed, so I'm just resting my arm on the vice, because I'm getting old. Yeah, had a good sort out in the shed again earlier. Yeah, looks a bit better. Actually, looks a lot better because it was a bit of a tip. Yeah, I got a friend of mine's. Sorry about that. Yeah, got a friend of mine's PX coming in. He's having gear changes quite clonky, so I'm going to have a play about with that. So that's probably going to be what's on the bench next. I'll have a go at the over there. Have a go at the engine as soon as I can. I don't know why I keep doing that. Maybe because I've got varifocals. Trying to focus. I should look at the top bit. Anyway, yeah, where was I? Engine. Yeah, try and get that sorted out as quick as I can. I'll show you what. Oh, where are we? So I'm just trying to turn the camera. Oh, I'll do it manually. This is actually pretty much all that I'm using from the Series 2. Obviously the leg shields and the engine, headset top and bottom, and the horn cast. But sorry about that, a bit close, wasn't it? Yep, where was I? Engine, what I was using, yeah. These are the bits on the bench, pretty much what I'm using. and the other stuff I've just chucked down the garage. I should probably either sell it or just tip it, because none of it's much cop. I've got a Series 3 front hub. I'm looking down there because it's down there on the floor. Series 3 front hub to go on it. I got that off of Dave Bray. Got it off of him. I got a Series 3 splash plate down there, but the fixing holes are slightly different, so don't know if I'm going to use that one or not. Probably will, but I don't know if I will or not. As you saw a video or two ago, rear mudguard's done. Excuse me, I do apologise. Rear mudguard's done, that's stripped. I was going to chuck the seat, toolbox and toolbox door in to be blasted as well, but I don't think I will. I should just pull them apart, I think. Not that much to it really, and if I have to I should just drill some bits and pieces out and then yeah, put it back together myself. It's not that difficult. It's only because of the little fiddly areas. I'll show you. Fiddly areas are getting in there, you know. But get a little Dremel and spend a bit of time. It's not as if it's my first time I've ever done it. I've done bloody loads of them. Where are we else? You have to excuse the fan noise, it's bloody hot in here. I think that's about it really for the minute. I don't know whether to call it this for the video or add a bit more. Should we call it here? Yeah, I think I'll call it here for the video. And then maybe the next one that gets uploaded is the PX, Vespa PX. Depends on what I've got on and whether Dave wants me to film his scooter being repaired or not. But if not, I'll get on with the Lambretta as quickly as I can, because I want to get it done as much as you do. So I'll say thanks again for watching. Subscriptions are getting up really high now. I'm so pleased. I'm really thankful for everyone that has subscribed. Last time I looked, it was 313 subscribers, which is really good. Just got to get the watch hours up. Once I can get the watch hours up, that's when the monetization thing kicks in. Once I get 500 subscribers, and I think it's 1,000 watch hours. Seems a lot, but it's either 1,000 or 3,000 watch hours. I can't remember now. Once I get that up, I can maybe earn a little bit of money out of it. I'm not really fussed too much, but you know, any little bit is better than nothing, isn't it? But yeah, right. I'll say that's it. And again, thanks for watching. Don't forget the usual, liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you again soon. Thanks again.